G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean. If you're new here and you're wondering what I talk about tech, I do PC stuff, tutorials, gaming, streaming, all that kind of stuff. And today is a bit of an impromptu video. I'm currently standing here in my hallway and I'm recording this on my iPhone because I have no one else here to help me record. But today this is completely random. I was bored and I had nothing else to do and I was cleaning the house, and as you know, I normally stream and game in this little studio behind me here, which is pretty small. It's only about 1.8 meters wide. You've got the iMac and you've got the standing desk and all that kind of stuff. But I was like, well, it's a nice day outside. I want to game at some point today. There's nobody here to tell me what to do. And if you can see, possibly behind me, I've got this blue Ethernet cable running along the floor. So basically in the studio, what I've actually got is under the standing desk, all my switches, my network stuff, all there. And I ran a 10-meter cable somewhere. So if we quickly step over this cable, we go out into the lounge room, the kitchen area. We have a one-bedroom apartment here in Sydney. You've got the entrance to the apartment just there. You've got our kitchen behind me. You've got the dining table, the couch, our lounge room. And if you see that blue cable, hopefully it's still in frame. I don't know if it is or not, but basically we've got our TV and behind me we've got our balcony. And what I've actually done is I've taken my PC out of the gaming room, out of the studio, and I've set up a desk out there, I've set up a stool, set up a 1080p 60Hz monitor, moved all my peripherals out there. I've got a webcam out there as well, so I'm actually doing a live stream, and just for the hell of it, I'm just gaming out on the balcony today, just for something completely different. I'm gonna have to turn around just for a second here so I don't trip on anything. But basically, yeah, up in Sydney right now, I'm on the 9th story of our apartment. We've got Botany, Maroubra, the airport behind us that way. We've got a new building that's being built right now. We've got the city in the very, very background. I don't know if you can see it. And then we've also got my PC down here. So this is my gaming PC, the Ryzen 5 2600 with the RX 580. We've got a pretty shitty old Dell 1080p monitor. Got my Corsair peripherals, got a webcam so we can stream, and we've got the Ethernet cable running straight into the PC, so there's absolutely no compromises as far as our network quality. We've got about a 100 meg connection down, 40 meg connection up, so it's going to be plenty. And I'm planning on just gaming and streaming out here on the balcony this afternoon. I don't know if it's a bad idea or not, but I was like, listen, there's no one here to tell me that I shouldn't or that I can't. And I was like, I don't think I've seen any other streamers or tech YouTubers or anything like that ever game and stream on a balcony before, so thought why the hell not. So anyway, if you like this video, chuck it a like. If you want to see me live streaming game on the balcony, I'll be live at 3 o'clock today. I'll post a replay so you can see that and see how it goes. Also forgot to mention I've got the Logitech headset out there with a microphone so people can hear me. It's going to be pretty interesting though, because I've got planes flying over me probably every 15 and 20 minutes, so they're probably going to be wondering what the hell is going on, because I only live about 5 minutes away from Sydney Airport. But anyway, something different. If you like it, give it a like. If you didn't like it, give it a dislike. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Smash that button down below. Trying to get to 1,000 subs before the end of the year. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.